Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going to show you a really simple makeup. This is called the clean makeup. So let's start. So I have just moisturized my face, and because this is the clean makeup and we want our skin to like glow and look really good, so after moisturizing my face I'm going to use this illuminating moisturizer. This is by Bellora Paris. So I really want my skin to look really radiant and glowy and nice. That's what clean makeup is all about. So moisturize twice because I have really dry skin, so it's good to apply a lot of moisturizer. So now that my skin is looking really nice and glowy, we will apply some lip balm to my lips because we want it to look really nice and I don't want chapped lips. So the lip balm is by Eyebrow. So the most important thing for this makeup look is you really need to take care of your skin. So the first thing that we'll do is obviously moisturize our skin. It's really important to moisturize your skin and your face. So this is the moisturizer that I use. It's by Cosmoderma and it's called the Moisture Boost Cream. So we've really prepped our skin really well. Now let's start with the foundation, and because it's clean makeup obviously I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. So this really like hydrates your skin and it's more like a CC cream, but it really like it has good coverage. Depends, you know, if you apply a little more product you can get like full coverage also with this. So this is the Fenty Beauty foundation that I'm going to use. Let's shake this out a little. See, this is the consistency of the product. So you can either use your fingers or use a brush. I'm going to use a brush. So this thing is light. You can go as light as you want and you can also like achieve like a medium coverage to high coverage with this foundation. It's amazing. I really like this one. So for an everyday makeup I would definitely go with this foundation. I'm also going to apply it on my neck and just blend it really well. So done with foundation, I'm just going to let it sit for some time. And let's start with the eyes now. So for eyeshadow, this is what I'm going to use. It's by Anastasia. It's called Soft Glam. And this is a beautiful palette. It has these amazing shades, really pretty shades. So I'm going to use this shade called Dusty Rose as my base shade. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. So once I've done that, I'm going to use a shade called Rose Pink, which is this one. It's really pretty. Love this one. So I'm just going to take the other side of the brush, remove the excess eyeshadow, and let me show you how pretty this shade is. Very soft pink. It's really nice. Done with my eyeshadow. I love the color, looks amazing. And because this is clean makeup and I want to look really nice and glowy, I'm going to use this shade called Glistening just here in the inner corners of my eyes. This is the one. Just take it like this and only apply it near your inner corners just to highlight the part. Now time for some mascara, and this is by Sugar Cosmetics. We're keeping it very natural, not too much. Just want my eyelashes to look a little longer and very natural. I'm gonna do my brows with my favorite Makeup Revolution brow pencil. Now time for some blush. This is again by Makeup Revolution. So I'm just going to take a little. You can also use a cream blush, but I like to use this one. I actually don't have a cream brush right now, so I'm using this. That will also give you a nice glowy. Once we've done that, we also have this highlighter right here. So I'm gonna apply this as well. So a little bit extra because this is the clean makeup. You want your skin to glow and look nice and natural. Last step is of course lipstick. So for this, I'm going to use this lipstick. It's by Miniso and the shade is, hold on a second, Berry Nude. It's 02. So this is the lipstick. I'm just going to apply very little because we're going to apply gloss on top of this. And that's all. Now on top of that, we're going to apply this gloss by MAC. It's their Power Gloss. And this is also the plumping gloss, so it will give you a little bit of plump on your lips. So it will plump up your lips a little. So we're just going to go ahead I'm gonna remove it here. I don't want to dirty my glass, so I'm just gonna. So this is my final look, guys. Very neat, very clean, and really simple. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below. And you have to follow me on Instagram. So my Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much. And also let me know what is the next video you want me to make. You want me to do something about makeup or skincare? Do let me know in the comment section below. Bye.